Hi, I'm Kyle Langman, President of Retail Operations with MarineMax, and I wanted the opportunity to thank each one of you for making 2022 such an amazing year. We are so thankful for you, our customers, and really our boating family. Thank you for all the wonderful things you made happen in 2022. We hope you had the opportunity to enjoy the water with friends and family and make some amazing memories. And here's a thank you message from all of our teams across the country.
From your team here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach, Florida, Happy Thanksgiving!
From everyone here at MarineMax Charleston, Happy Thanksgiving!
From all of us at MarineMax Rogers,
Happy Thanksgiving!
From all of us here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, we want to wish you and your family a very
Happy Thanksgiving!
Hello everybody, from our family here at MarineMax Ocean Reef to you,
Happy Thanksgiving! Happy Thanksgiving from Brick, New Jersey.
From MarineMax of Lake Wylie,
Happy Thanksgiving!
From all of us at MarineMax Palm Beach,
Happy Thanksgiving!
From all of us here at MarineMax Danvers,
Happy Thanksgiving! Happy Thanksgiving from MarineMax Clearwater. Happy Thanksgiving from MarineMax Dallas.
Happy Thanksgiving from MarineMax Houston.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving!
From all of us at MarineMax New York, we want to wish you a Happy Thanksgiving!
On behalf of MarineMax and all of our wonderful partners, we're grateful for you. And we wish you and your family a very happy Thanksgiving. See you on the water.